Now that all the hype around the Galaxy S23 launch has lowered, it's time for some spicy leaks of Samsung's upcoming foldable phones. Foldable devices are designed to offer users a larger screen when unfolded, while still being portable and easy to carry around. The technology behind folding smartphones is still relatively new, and there are some concerns about durability and long-term reliability. However, many consumers are excited about the potential of folding phones, and several major tech companies have already released or announced devices in this category. Samsung currently leads that category, with the South Korean tech giant poised to drop two new foldables later this year, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5. Latest leaks reveal the super sleek design of the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 5. YouTuber SuperRotor has published concept renders of the Galaxy Z Fold 5, created by Techmizo Concept. The concept shows a Galaxy S23-like individual camera rings on the rear, offering a clean-looking design. We can also see that the phone folds perfectly flat, similar to other foldable phones from Chinese brands. Some reports have already claimed that Samsung will bring a new water droplet-shaped hinge that will allow the phone to be gapeless when folded. It will also make the foldable screen's crease less visible. If the information is correct, Samsung will solve the two most glaring problems Galaxy Z Fold series users have been complaining about. While there are plenty of rumors surrounding the Galaxy Z Fold 5 to be excited about, the new hinge that eliminates the gap between pieces when folded is something that fans of Samsung's foldables have been wanting for a while. When seen in the concept renders, it looks striking and like it'll be much more compact when folded than any of Samsung's previous offerings. Based on the concept images, as well as other leaks, it seems to be all but confirmed that a new hinge is coming. The concept images look great, and because they're based on leaked hardware specs and other rumors, it seems like they might be pretty spot on. Techmizo Concept has created plenty of concept images for yet-to-be-revealed smartphones that have been pretty accurate, so it won't come as much of a surprise if the Z Fold 5 looks strikingly similar to the concept images when it's finally revealed in full. However, there's still the chance that the finalized Z Fold 5 could sport some notable differences when it launches. Meanwhile, the smartphone will reportedly feature the same 6.2-inch cover display with a 120Hz Super AMOLED panel, the 50+12+10 megapixels trite rear-facing camera, a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy processor, and a 4400 mAh battery. The device probably won't come with a built-in S Pen slot, but it will be compatible with an S Pen Fold Edition. So how do you like these new concept design for upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 5? Let us know your opinion below in the comment section. And if you enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive. See you for the next time. Peace out.